Sanctide, and we are Genie Face. As we all know, most of us today and undoubtedly use smartphones on a daily basis and without interruption. This device that accompanies us everywhere is the most embodied example of what is called artificial intelligence. So what the meaning of this term? Quite simply, artificial intelligence is a set of technologies used which aims to create a device that simulated the intelligence and human behaviors. All of that only to simplify our life and make it more practical. But wait, the problem is whether this technology and the huge amount of databases it processes every single second will be able to protect it against the potential violation threatening it. Hence, the security system using facial recognition appeared and became a reality, which represents the project that we are developing, Genie Face. So, as a team, we decided to adopt two systems of protection. One of them is automatically relays on facial recognition, as we already mentioned, using the 32 ESP cam, which is a camera that is connected to the internet. And when it detects your face, it sends alerts to the server so you can be able to enter to your desired location in a blink of an eye. While the second is a presence system that works with the same principle in the first place. But the difference is that it records your data information immediately on an Excel sheet using the RFID, which stands for Radio Frequency Identification, in the help of markers called radio tags. Both of those systems, as we planned before, will be applied in the medical field, be it laboratories, hospitals, and radiology centers, which seems to have an urgent need to take steps to the new technologies of the security of their databases. All of those informations we came to collect it after we visited the owners of those centers, so we can figure out their real needs and requirements, which our current project was based on. More than that, Genie Face will have an important and effective role due to the epidemic coronavirus 1920, which the world is witnessing in our time, unfortunately, because it is considered as the last way to cope with it and fight it. Knowing that since the beginning, as a team, we take on consideration that we need to create a system that is easy to activate and work with it, without forgetting to release it with a modest budget, which means a low cost, in order to benefit and help everyone to take their first steps toward the future technologies. With Genie Face, the future is in your hands.